Hello, I'm Valentin from the landmark Mandarin Oriental in Hong Kong. I'm the pastry chef here. I'm French, and today for you guys I will make my very own recipe of chocolate and sea salt moelleux. Really easy, super quick and yummy. So we can start with the chocolate. So with a Bain Marie, just some warm water. You can combine both chocolate, the milk one and the dark one, and the butter cut in small pieces. You can also start to add a good pinch of sea salt from the beginning. Okay, so while the chocolate is melting, we're gonna prep the eggs, the mix. So we need 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. So we'll save the egg white for another preparation. There we go. Icing sugar, all at once, and you mix until we get something really smooth. While this is melting and the eggs are mixed, you can start to prep the rings. So start to take the tray, the oven, take rings, and you place baking paper inside the rings that you just cut slightly bigger than the ring, and you place them inside. When it is totally melted, and so we're gonna combine both mix. So the chocolate in the eggs, really slowly. So now, as you can see, the mix starts to thicken a little bit. Make sure there is no chunks, and the mix is perfectly smooth. And then we can start to add the flour super slowly, make it rain. So now I put like approximately half of the flour, and from now on I will finish the mix with the spatula, super slowly to keep the volume. And voila, it's already done. Finish. So now I'm just gonna pour it into the mold. Not exactly to the top, slightly lower. And you cut. And now we're gonna put it in the oven for 9 minutes at 180 degrees. Move it to your plate. You remove the ring. You remove the paper. Just a little pinch of sea salt, the same sea salt you used before. Et voila. And so basically you can play with the ingredients. You can use only black chocolate, only milk chocolate. You can use salted butter, gluten-free flour. Everything works. Everything works. It's super easy and super quick to do. And to see the real surprise, just cut it in two. Et voilà. Bon appétit!